After my very successful rendezvous with the Plasma by Dr. Diamond's medicine, I made a whole video about this product, but this is the first one technically that I tried from the Dr. Diamond collection. And because I liked it so much, I decided that I'm gonna order the whole collection and try all of it. I have the brand new eye serum. This just came out probably about a month ago. I have the Infusion and I do have the Retinol serum. And at the end, something brand new, my new discovery. It's a cream. It's not by Dr. Diamond, but I definitely want to talk to you about this cream because it's very, very special. So I will give you my opinion on all of these. I have tested all of them. This one probably the most because this is technically my third bottle now. So which one of these is worth it, which one of these does what, and how. So we basically have a complete skincare routine here with this and the cream that I will talk to you about it at the end. So we'll start in order of application. First we'll be applying the plasma. I did make a complete video on this because this is the first product that I tried from Dr. Diamond and I was to some extent impressed. So this is a growth factor. Growth factors are usually to repair the skin because they accelerate cell division. This is in fact 5 different groups of peptides that are bioengineered to simulate the efficacy of a growth factor. So this product is plant-based, it's unscented, the texture is very watery and it's pink, just like a real growth factor. If you want the details around the formulation, the efficacy and etc., I'll attach the video that I made specifically on this product because I used it for probably about 2 months and then I gave you a review. Yes, I did like it very much. This is actually the weakest product out of the whole line. The new eye serum, this is the latest creation, just came out about a month ago and I've been using it for about a month. This is incredible. I like this product so much because you can apply it underneath your eyes, but you can also apply it on top of your eyelid. It's a very rare creation because very few products, eye skincare products on the market actually tighten the eyelid. In fact, I only know of 2 and this is the second one. So this is a tightening product. It tightens the area around your eye area once again, as I mentioned, also the eyelid. So you apply it underneath on your eyelid and around the eye area. It removes wrinkles. It lifts the eyelid a little bit, but also smooths the under eye area. So this is definitely kind of a volume enhancing product. A lot of people get the sunken under eye area. This will tremendously help you because it visibly smooths, firms and lifts the eye area, and it also creates volume. I'm very much impressed with this. It firms, it smooths, it removes darkness, it removes puffiness, but also visibly lifts the eye area and firms up the eyelid area, which once again, it's very difficult to accomplish in an eye skincare product. So this contains a novel HA retinoid. So yes, it does contain a retinoid complex. Now it is encapsulated though, so I've been using this serum also in the morning, not only at night, and it's totally fine, especially because I'm covering it with other serums and also cream and also sunscreen, so it's totally fine. I'm not being irritated by the sun. So this is a kind of a new innovation by Dr. Diamond. He created it and it's a very special formula. And when I talk to you about the retinoid serum, you'll understand exactly what I'm talking about, but his retinols are spectacular. This novel retinoid is so special. The formula is so special that it works, but it's encapsulated of course, but it's not in a very high amount to disturb your skin. So it's suitable for sensitive type skin as well. That's why I've been using it in the morning as well without disturbance to the eye area. It also contains a group of peptides which helps with collagen and elastin production. It has hyaluronic acid. I've not been excited about an eye skincare product in a long time. This also helps with dark circles. It helps with puffiness. It's a true anti-aging product that addresses every one of your needs when it comes to the eye area. This eye skincare product has only one flaw, and it's a flaw I think just to me because I have a specific taste when it comes to the packaging. Yes, the packaging is great. It is functional. I'm just not the biggest fan of this distribution of a product. I almost never use this cooling eyeball here. Technically, you press it, the product comes out here. Sometimes this dispensing mechanism, when you press it too hard, the product kind of jumps. It's not my favorite, but it is functional, and some people love it because this ball here is technically cooling, so you can kind of cool the eye area. I never do this because after that I have to use something to clean it, and usually, you know, I have to find my hypochlorous acid. I usually put it on my finger and then I tap it and I smooth it around the eye area. This is the only flaw, but again, this is my thing. I'm sure a lot of people love this way of dispensing of the product. It's just not my thing. I'm just being too picky because I always have to find the flaw. This is the only flaw, and it's not a big flaw. This product was just too perfect. I had to find a flaw. I was so surprised by how effective this thing is that obviously I have to find the one teeny tiny little bit of flaw. But if we ignore my European tendency for negative reinforcement, this is a perfect product. I do recommend this product to absolutely everybody over 30 or over 35, especially if you're over 50, my age. If you want to reverse a lot of damage around the eye area, wrinkles, sagging, droopiness of the eyelid, dryness, dark circles, puffiness, get this product. It really doesn't get any better than this for this price. It's incredible. Now, as I mentioned, I did like the plasma. It simulates the growth factor, but the infusion is actually where the power comes from. When you combine these two, magic happens. So this is the infusion. This is technically collagen. Now, collagen is a very large molecule. If you have collagen in a skincare product, it doesn't do anything because, as I mentioned, the molecule of collagen is so large that it just stays on top of the skin. It's not going through the stratum corneum. It's too large. What he's doing here is he's using fragments of collagen. So he chopped up the collagen, he made it into very, very small molecules, small pieces, so it enters the skin. This product is incredible. I actually like this better than this. Now, when you combine them, obviously it becomes very, very powerful because you have a growth factor here that repairs, and then you have the collagen here that rebuilds your collagen and your elastin of your skin. So you have two different technologies, then in combination you are doubling the repair of your skin. But technically I love this product way more. It's it's sensational. It's very good. I saw a difference using this after, I would say, probably 5-6 weeks. Yes, it makes a difference. But this, I used it only for about a week, and I feel like everything became tighter and smoother. And then you combine it with the retinol. This retinol, I want to apply this retinol in the morning. It actually makes my skin, the texture, the viscosity of this is so thin. Feels every wrinkle, everything in your skin. So it makes your skin immediately look very, very smooth, as if you've applied a filter. This is how this looks. But it's a retinol product, so I shy away from applying it in the morning. But the texture is amazing. It has a very unique, another unique kind of like this dispensing mechanism. You press it here and the product comes out. This does not bother me. This is fine, and the packaging accommodates the texture of this products. I think this retinol is suitable for sensitive type skin as well, but yet is super powerful and super effective. And once again, the texture of this is astonishing. It's incredible. It's definitely one of the best, if not the best retinol for the price, especially, that I've ever tried. At the end, I've been using a different brand cream. This you can use in the morning, you can use at night. It's called the night cream. This is by Irene Forte. It's called the hibiscus night cream. There's really nothing in here that prevents you from using it in the morning as well. I think they called it a night cream because Irene Forte, also has very similar product, but it's the day cream. Now I will tell you this, don't get the day cream. Get the night cream and use it both in the morning and at night, because this is a very, very powerful anti-aging cream. This has something called mioxinol. Mioxinol is a proprietary blend of peptides, neuropeptides, and neuropeptides freeze your lines. They simulate, they emulate the effects of Botox. One of the best, most successful formulations in a cream with a neuropeptide that I've ever met. It's truly exceptional. Also, the cream, the texture of the cream is so nice. It sinks into the skin. It's slightly glowy, but not in an obnoxious kind of way. It's absolutely, this is my new discovery. I really don't want to stop using this cream because yes, it does freeze your lines. And I think it goes very, very well with Dr. Diamond's collection because you don't have a neuropeptide here. Well, I think you have a little bit here in the plasma. But this is technically your neuropeptide, your hydration delivery system. And also there is no scent in any of the Dr. Diamond's medicine products. This one smells, it has a very elegant, subtle scent of hibiscus. And I love it. It just completes the whole experience. This because of the neuropeptide and because it truly has the power to freeze your lines and kind of freeze your, technically your whole face. I mean, no, you don't look like a mummy. I mean, you see, I still have movement in my forehead. When you're stationary, see, when I'm not moving, you can't see any lines, right? And it's because of this. It's an incredible, I haven't had Botox in a very, very, very long time. This is, whatever I have on my face right now is purely skincare, nothing else. And a few devices, obviously. But this actually freezes my lines. I feel like even when I smile, you can see my lines here very much because of this. This is an incredible product, and I also love the texture. The texture is very, very, very pleasant. It's hydrating, and again, very suitable for the morning as well because it gives you this subtle glow to the skin. It's perfection. A new cleanser that I want to quickly tell you, this is by Sophie Pavitt. She is in New York. She used to be an esthetician and suffered very, very long time with acne and a lot of acne scars. So her whole collection gears towards, it's a clean, obviously clean skincare. It's for sensitive skin types, but also gears towards breakout removal and kind of acne correction. It's very gentle. This is a good, clean cleanser. It has a very nice kind of jelly texture. I think it's suitable for everyone. I've been enjoying this very, very, very much. I wanted to give her a shout out because it's a small business and I do always support small businesses. But also when I ordered the package and I received the package, I ordered a few other things, but when I received the package, it was so beautifully displayed, not in a very expensive way, just everything was placed in the box with love. And I order a lot of stuff and I purchase a lot online, and not everybody gives so much love into their packages. And I immediately wanted to try the products because that actually tells me something. If you put so much love into your package and the way that your product is wrapped up and displayed, then you are most probably putting just as much love, if not more, into making your products. And I was right. This is a really, really good, inexpensive, clean cleanser. You can use it in the morning, you can use it at night. There's no scent. It's beautiful. And this is it. This is my impression of Dr. Diamond's products. I definitely think that they work in cohesion together better than if you get them separately. But if you're gonna get one product, get the eye serum because it's truly, truly exceptional. It's his newest technology, newest product. It's absolute perfection, and it definitely has no competition on the market. The way that it's created, it has no competition, especially because it lifts the eye but also takes care of the eyelid. I've only met one other product like that, and it's twice as expensive as this. So this is an exceptional product. But I do think that these four could be used in a routine, in a successful reverse aging routine, and especially if you couple it with this, you have a complete anti-aging, reverse aging, successful routine that will definitely get the job done. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon. Bye.